Hey guys, what's up? Drew here, and we're pretty much looking at the dog right now. Jet. Jet. Hey. Come here. There he goes. Come here. Get up here, you little fart. He's a black lab mixed with German Shepherd, in case you guys are wondering. Okay. Let's see here. Jet. He doesn't do much, he's lazy. And then if you come over here, we currently have a freaking bird. Chirper. This is not my bird, it's my stepmom's bird. I hate birds. Then on this side, it's 5:38 and 90 degrees outside. So, that's pretty much it, just a short vlog. It's not really a vlog, it's kind of showing you my dog. So, Jet. I think he's dead.